Alright, good day. Good day to everybody. What is it? It's April 12th today. We're going to do a massive weigh-in. So, I haven't weighed in anything but eggs. It's only April 12th, like I said. I'm in Montana. I don't have anything, I don't grow food inside yet, maybe someday. I do have some spinach going, but I haven't got any yet, so what do we got? We got 7 ounces. So, but I got my little notepad here, and every time I eat eggs, I've been writing them down and weighing them. I get way more eggs than I can eat. I only have 5 hens, but I get more eggs than I can eat at this point in time of the year. So I've only been weighing them as sorry, I'm trying to do math, as I eat them. So 6 plus 7 is 13 ounces. So my actual weigh-in is, let's see here, 4 pounds, 13 ounces. That's what I'm at right now. So there it is. There's my massive weigh-in. I'm putting this at the beginning of the video. Not gonna make you wait for it. And let's get on to that video. We're gonna do some transplants today. We got peppers in this whole tray, almost this whole tray, and then some tomatoes here. And I have already potted up some tomatoes and some peppers. So, but I ran out of cups, so I got more cups now, and I'll show how I do it. So I got my, let's see what I got here. I got my seedlings first. I got my cups. I got some vegetable garden all natural fertilizer I'm going to put in at half strength, which is going to be half a tablespoon per gallon of soil is what I'm putting in. I got some potting soil. I got a tub to mix it in. I got a little half-gallon pot to measure it out. I got some scissors to I already thinned these, but I see some of them have some more seedlings popping up. So I got some scissors to thin these out, and we'll start getting started. I think the first thing I'm going to do is prep my cups. So these are like generic solo cups. There is 84 of them. And because I learned that nice trick from MB Heritage Farm, you poke the holes in the one cup and then you use the other cup to catch the drip. I got 2 packs. So these will be the drip trays, or half of them will be for the catching the drippings. The other half will be for planting, so I have 84. So yeah, first thing we'll get some of these prepped. Of course, the first thing you gotta do is poke a hole in the bottom of them, or a couple holes. Get you well, anyway, you get the point. That's enough to get us started. I don't know how many that is, but it's enough to get us started. Alright, so we got our 2 gallons in there. So we're going to do, I'm going to read the directions one more time because that's just me. Containers for new plantings, 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon. So again, I'm halving it on the low side. So I'm going half tablespoon per gallon. So let's see. Pretty sure this is 1 tablespoon. Oops, I didn't even put it all right. Hopefully that's mixed up good enough. And then we'll just take our cup. Alright, well, so here we go. I got all my materials rounded up. I got my tomatoes that I'm going to pot up first. I got 6 of my solo cups filled with my potting soil that I added a little bit of fertilizer to. And I'll show how I do this. It's really easy. It's the same way everyone does it. There's no trick. I've never used this powdered fertilizer like I have this time. I always used to use a fish. So can you see this? I'll try to get this on camera. Pop this out. I made sure to not water these for a while so they would come out easier. I'm going to bury the stem pretty deep. I would have liked to bury it deeper, but that'll work. Okay, so what was I saying? I've never used this dry powder fertilizer. I used to use a liquid. It was like a fish-based thing. It smelled like fish, stunk. And you would mix it with water, and I had this little jug, and I had it for years, and I still have it somewhere. I just don't know where since I moved. But we'll see how this stuff works. It's definitely some things I like about it. Like, it's supposed to be a month before I actually would need to fertilize these again. And hopefully by that time they'll be in the garden. So, although I did only do half strength of the fertilizer, so we'll see what happens. So this is one I potted up about a week ago. Here, let's put it up, because they were the best of the best at that time, so let's put it against the best out of these 6 that I just potted up. So this is the one I potted up a week ago, and this is the nicest one I just potted up today. So you can tell it made a big difference. So, I don't know if that means the fertilizer's working or they were just needing more room, but something's happening. Alright, we'll get them watered in and then Alright, here we are. It's actually the next day, and I'm not even done. I got 2 more to do. I worked on it for a while, then had to do some other things, and then ended up staying up till 2 in the morning doing this. It takes me forever. I don't know how long it takes you other guys to transplant up into bigger pots, but it looks pretty impressive on the camera. It's really not a whole lot, but way more than I need. So I got 10 more to do. These ones I'm going to pick the best 10, do those, then I'm going to get these back into some light, and we'll get them out in the garden in about a month. So anyway, that's what's going on here. Had that massive weigh-in of eggs, and we're getting this stuff going. Hopefully, if this weather will warm up just a little bit, I'll be getting some spinach pretty soon. It is actually out there growing. I planted it from seed when I planted these other seeds, and it's in that little thing there covered so my chickens don't eat it. I'm not sure how it's doing with the cold, but I'm sure it's fine. So So that's what's going on here. I'm going to finish this, and y'all have a good day. Keep on growing.